Sewing process. How to sew pants and shirts in easy steps. Do you have a question in your mind that how to sew pants step by step and sewing shirts steps for the best tips and tricks to sewing your shirt and pant at home without visiting the tailor? Let's discuss more about how to sew pants step by step and sew shirts in steps. Step-by-step processes to sewing a shirt. Material sourcing. Inspecting the materials. Making the patterns. Corresponding to it, it is necessary to put the measurement marks on the shirts and start the fabric cutting process. Fabric cutting and materials fusing process. Understanding the entire shirt sewing mechanisms. Concluding with the process, one needs to fold and finally sewing the directions of the bottom as per the necessities and measurements. Step-by-step processes to sewing a pant. Pattern making. Keep folding the pants in a manner that the front sides keep facing out. Place the seams on the paper piece. Draw a lining as per the pant's bottom requirement. Cutting down the pant fabric. Inseam sewing. Side sewing process. Sewing the waistbands. Final hem process. Fabric and other components for sewing. To know more in detail how to make pants and shirts, please check the link in description. Pants and shirts machines and types of equipment. Check the link in description. Thanks for watching.